Hi, let's look at this interesting trigonometry question over here. Okay, what we are given here is we have a rectangle and there's a semicircle, okay, that is part of this rectangle, and part of the semicircle is also coming out of the rectangle. Okay, and we're supposed to find these two variables x and y. Okay, now let's see how to go about doing this. The first thing we can see is that we are given some dimensions. The diameter of the circle is 20 cm, which means that the radius is 10 cm. So this is 10, and from the center to F is also 10, correct? And here is also 10. Now we are given that this length AB is 8 cm, which means that if I were to draw a line from F down here straight, okay, forming a right angle triangle, this distance is also 8. Now what can we see here? For this angle theta, 8 is the opposite and 10 is the hypotenuse. So I can say sine of theta is going to be equals to 8 over 10. Okay, with that I can find theta to be equals to 53.13 degrees. Okay, so that's the first thing that we need to find here. Okay, theta. Now the next thing is, once we know theta, we can find this angle here, which is 180 degrees minus theta, and that will give us 126.9 degrees. Now as you can see, this triangle here is a isosceles triangle, which means that 180 minus 126.9. Okay, if I say this angle here is alpha, for example, I can say that alpha is equals to 180 minus 126.9 divided by 2, because this is a isosceles triangle over here. Now that would give me an angle of 26.6 degrees. Okay, now with this triangle I can apply the sine rule to find for y. Okay, so I can say that y divided by sine of 126.9 degrees equals to 10 over sine 26.6 degrees. And solving for that, I'll get a value of y to be 17.86. Okay, so this is 17.86 over here. Okay, so we have solved for theta, we have solved for y. Left is x. Okay, as you can see, x, all right, if I were to draw a straight line here, okay, x is actually made up of 2 halves of this base over here. Okay, and since this is a right angle triangle, okay, I can use Pythagoras theorem, and I can say that this variable, for example, I can call this z square, it will be equals to 10 square minus 8 square. So z will give me a value of 6. Okay, and since z is 6, so I'll get 6 and 6 here, so x will be equals to 2 times z will be equals to 12. Okay, so with that I have solved for x, y and theta, all done. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope that this explanation has given you a good idea how to solve such trigonometric questions. Thank you. Bye.